In this video, we will discuss how to edit and use Radio Sky Spectrograph schedule files. Be sure to study Jim Sky's excellent Radio Sky Spectrograph help paper. A link is provided in the download section of the tutorial paper. A schedule file is a simple text file with a .skd file type extension. Let's look at a typical schedule file for an RSP1 ASDR. In RSS, click on the main file menu. Select Run from schedule file. If no schedule file is found, you can download a sample from the download section of the main Radio Jove SDRC2 RSS tutorial instructions. Then paste the schedule.skd file into the folder. You can also make a schedule file by simply typing in a Notepad window and saving it as schedule.skd. If it has a .text extension, right-click on the file and rename the schedule.txt file to schedule.skd. For RSS 2.9.59, schedule files will be in the schedule folder. Once you have a schedule file in the proper folder so RSS can find it, right mouse click on the file and select Edit. Notice the first line says daily. This statement causes RSS to run the schedule file every day automatically at the start time indicated in the next line. Notice there is no semicolon after daily. This is important as it signifies daily as a known computer program command. The lines following after daily must all have a semicolon after each line. The second line indicates a start time. This is the time you want RSS to start recording your spectrograph and eventually create a .sbs file. Start equals 00:00:00 semicolon indicates the recording will start at 00:00 hours UTC. In hours, minutes, and seconds. The channels equals 512, semicolon sets the number of channels. Offset equals 1620, semicolon sets the color offset in RSS. Color gain equals 4.0, semicolon sets the RSS color gain. LOF equals 16000000 semicolon sets the lowest frequency in Hertz. HIF equals 24000000 semicolon sets the highest frequency in Hertz. Stop equals 23:55:00 semicolon is the time you want the spectrograph to stop recording. Stopping it slightly before 2400 UTC hours ensures it has enough time to save the file to your hard drive. You may find you can shorten this time gap to less than a minute if you have a fast hard drive. This indicates a 24-hour daily recording that is standard for Radio Jove files. However, if you wish, you can stop the recording at 12 hours and start another 12 hours. Just type the second 12-hour period information directly below the first 12-hour period. Save your schedule.skd file. Be sure you have 0 typing mistakes, or the file will fail to execute properly. Schedule files are handy for recording spectrograph files in an unattended radio astronomy observatory. You can also use the run-timed observation in the file menu if preferred. Please click the subscribe button below the spectrograph as it assures YouTube will continue to support this channel. Thank you for watching.